Okay, step 1, we're going to do the ABC card drills where we're going to review our letters and sounds every day. Okay, start. What letter is that?
B, B, B. Boat.
Okay.
C, C, K, K. Cake. And
Okay, this one.
G, 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 goat.
Good job.
Turn on that.
Okay, this is a D.
A D,
D says
D, D.
like
Like. I don't know.
donut.
Donut.
Mm-hmm.
E,
Mm-hmm.
E.
Good job. Step 2, introduce a new skill. We're going to use a multisensory mat to introduce a new letter. For example, this week we're going to introduce the letter A. Don't go to another mat until the student has been able to assimilate the concept and be able to consistently recognize the letter. So first we're going to see the letter. And what letter is this, Giorgio?
A.
The letter A. The letter A. Is this capitalized? Uppercase letter A, lowercase letter A. Okay, now we're gonna do sign language. We're gonna show and say the letter A. There we go. A. Can you say A?
A.
Okay, and then the sound of the letter A is like apple. Can you say it?
Like apple.
Good job. Now we're gonna trace it with our finger, and we're gonna say the sound. Can you do it? No, go down. Go up. Good job. Do the lowercase a. Follow the arrow. Okay. Now we're gonna use Play-Doh to make the letter.
Do this one?
No, do the uppercase letter first.
By doing.
There you go. Do the other one.
Oh, don't mess up.
Okay, do the lowercase a.
Go down.
Yeah, down. Like that.
You push up because about 4 nails.
Now we're gonna trace the letter A and say the sound while you're tracing. Okay? Go Good job. Do the lowercase a. Good job. For the other one.
Oh, that was good.
Say
Okay. Oh, that was good.
Go. Say Good job. Can you make the letter A all by yourself? Let's see. First do. Okay, well that's okay. Okay, now do here the uppercase letter A. Okay, that's pretty good. Step 3, blending drill. In this blended drill, the student will practice reading nonsense words. Nonsense word pushes the student to use decoding skill instead of memorization. So the cards are divided into 3 piles. The vowels in green are put in the middle of the pile, and the student will point to each card from left to right and blend the sound in a nonsense word. And the teacher will keep turning over the cards from each column to make different combinations. Okay, are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the sound of this letter. This is D. What D
D.
says? D. What letter is this?
I don't know.
E. E says
G. G. G.
Okay, so we're gonna blend them together. We're gonna say only the sound. D, E, G.
D.
D,
D.
E, G.
G.
Can you put it together?
D. E. G.
Try to put it together now. D, E, G. Dag. Can you say
Dag.
it? Say it.
Dag.
Dag. Dag. Okay, let's try another combination.
The other one is A.
Okay, go. B.
B.
B. Okay, let's put it together. B.
Back. Back.
Back. Good job. Step 4, read sight words. Those words have to be memorized because they cannot be sounded out phonetically. So those words are also taught using a multisensory approach. And this activity can be done multiple ways. What we do is we do arm tapping, and we're going to show you how we do it. Ready, Jojo? Okay, so this is, do you know this word?
Me.
No, it's M. Okay, so we're going to do, this is the letter M. Okay, so we're going to get our arm, and we're going to tap each letter with this. You're going to go A, M. M. You're gonna, okay, ready? Tap again, go. A, M. And then you're gonna go M. Next one. You know this word? Can. Okay, we're gonna go C, C, A, N.
C, A, N.
Mm-hmm.
Can. A can.
Good job.